And in Pakistan, a Pak Mantri ends up justifying Operation Sindoor as he backs India's argument to strike Pakistan, cites strikes in Afghanistan as right to defense. Pakistan Mantri says Pakistan was right in neutralizing threat and India's answer to terror was Operation Sindoor. This is an embarrassing Operation Sindoor parallel made by a Pakistan Mantri who was caught off guard as he tried to justify Pakistan's strikes against Afghanistan, justifying India's Operation Sindoor. Defense Minister Khwaja Asif now giving a parallel that effectively justifies India's Operation Sindoor. India has also said that because we were being attacked from Pakistani soil, we have only attacked the terror outfits, that we have only attacked the areas where the attacks were coming from. Khwaja Asif seems to be drawing the exact same parallel to justify his country's attack on Afghanistan areas. Shivani Sharma joins me on this story. Shivani, Pakistan directly or indirectly justifying exactly why India needed to do Operation Sindoor. An embarrassing gaffe by Khwaja Asif, who's so far been blaming India for the decisions that India had taken, isn't it?
Anisha, definitely. See, this is not only funny, hypocritical, and also now justifying in a way what India did during Operation Sindoor, because India hit inside Pakistan's deep territory on the terror camps, because those terrorists who were involved in Pahalgam attack and many other attacks inside India needed to be taught a lesson. And now what Khwaja Asif is saying is that if a country is attacked, it has the right automatically to react. So, in a way, it is also the hypocrisy of Pakistan that's being now portrayed when Khwaja Asif, the Minister of Defense of Pakistan, is justifying his act when he has given those attacks and attacked inside Afghanistan, to which a great reaction has also come, giving a strong message to Pakistan. But certainly, it seems that Pakistan has been saving its face. It has been quite hypocritical. It has been putting out allegations on India and justifying now what India had actually done after Pahalgam attack. Anisha.
All right, thank you for that, Shivani Sharma. The Pakistan Defense Minister's not embarrassing, but very clear admission that if a country is attacked, it does have the right to hit back.